Alright, 10-100 right here, last one. It's the light. Alright. 1:39 p.m., 1:43 p.m. Right here, May 11th, 2021. Last one. (10-7-1) 12-8-1. Right there, alright? After 30 miles on a bike, split up 27 and then 3. One more 5 treadmill interval sprints, upper body, alright? Spin forward with cone rolls. Focus on what's important to you. My son, right there, Arizona, against that means a lot to me. But you gotta go to where you gotta go to get to where you need to get to. So hopefully in 3 weeks, everything's right, where I need to be.